Hello and welcome back. Keep it simple, short. Join&coin here. Thanks for the support. All right. Vechain is breaking to the upside here. Very nice to see. If you take a look here also on the volume. So volume is confirming the uptrend. We can see here volume is growing. The last time we saw this was in August of last year. So yeah, very promising. So finally also the volume is growing here, together with the pump here to the upside. 4 hourly, we can see here that Vechain is going up, going sideways, then up, sideways, up, sideways, up. And since then is consolidating here around the levels of 3 cent to 3.2 cent. On the weekly time frame, if you take a look here on the Bollinger Bands were squeezing, then we saw the downtrend, squeezing here, one more leg down, squeezing again and down. And now, so Vechain, the first time, is at the upper Bollinger Bands here. It's the first time for Vechain since November of 2021. So the Bollinger Bands are open up here, and Vechain is here at the upper Bollinger Bands and shows some bullish behavior. Finally, after the huge correction and bear cycle until the end of last year. Yesterday, I reposted some posts which I showed you in December of last year, around 2 months ago. So there I posted the idea that Vechain is here in the Wyckoff accumulation pattern. So basically, this would be here your spring event and LPS. And yeah, if Vechain is breaking here above the 3.3 cent and making a new higher high to this high here, then I think that Vechain is heading here more to higher targets, to at least to the range here around 4.4 cent. And if Vechain got rejected here at these levels, then I think we will see some kind of ABC correction and then potentially further push here to the upside. So these are my 2 scenarios for Vechain in the midterm. Why 4.4 cent? Well, if you zoom out here on Vechain, 4.4 cent is basically where Vechain found some support here in May of last year, also here in March, and yeah, basically 1 year ago here, before Vechain started here to come here to the downside. So Vechain finally turned bullish, but what does it mean to turn bullish? Well, let me just take a short look on the monthly time frame. If you take a look on the monthly RSI, there's one thing we can see on the first side. I'm glad you asked. Exactly. The RSI never fell below the level of 40. So although we had this huge correction and bear cycle, and you can call it how you want, the RSI never fell below the level of 40. So what does it mean? That means that the RSI stayed bullish, and we are about here to get here a bullish cross on the MACD potentially very soon. Also good news from Vechain Ethereum. Here we talked about this downward sloping support line, which hold basically here Vechain against Ethereum in October of 19, in March of 20, and also here in February of 21. This got broken, but if you remember from my updates in the end of last year, we said maybe this is here a fake out, and finally Vechain is breaking here this major resistance, or broke it already, and yeah, is coming here to the upside. And more importantly also, if you take a closer look on these levels here at around 1850, this level where now Vechain against Ethereum is, this is more or less the weekly support here on Vechain Ethereum in this low and also on this low. So yeah, RSI here in the bullish territory and turned bullish, and the bullish cross, of course, on the MACD. Same goes with Vechain Bitcoin. Vechain Bitcoin here, also this major support got broken, but finally Vechain is back above here the support line. And also, if you take a look here on the non-logarithmic chart, you can draw it like you want. There is definitely a breakout here on Vechain Bitcoin. And if you're a longer time in cryptos, then you know that Vechain can heavily outperform Bitcoin and Ethereum in a bull cycle. All right, so let's take a look here on the short-term targets. Short-term targets for Vechain, here we can see some kind of consolidation. Basically what Vechain did already here, here, and here. Support for Vechain at around 3 cents here to the upside. So this upward sloping support line of this upward sloping channel, Vechain found some resistance here, 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 and also recently in 8th of February and also here on the 18th of February. So 3 cents about some support, and if this got broken, then the 2.85 cents. And if Vechain can break higher here, so weekly shows that we are in an uptrend, and yeah, as long as we are in an uptrend, we have to keep an eye here on higher targets. So first target, then the 3.3, what we talked about in my last update, at the 1.272. And yeah, as we said before, if this got broken here, I'm expecting Vechain to come to 4.4 cents. So breaking also the 1.618 and going here to around our target at around 4.4 cents. Why 4.4 cents? Because it was former support here in last year. And one more time here, either way, Vechain got rejected here, then I think we will see some kind of ABC, or Vechain is coming here to the upside. And the push from 3.3 cents to 4.4 cents, this could be very, very fast, because here on the weekly, on the volume profile, so between 2.2 cents to 2.6 cents, there was a lot of trading here. But once Vechain is breaking the 3.3 cents, there is not much volume until around 4.4 cents. All right, this was my short update for Vechain. If you like this video and you want to get updated with the latest crypto news and analysis, then please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and also hit the notification bell. I wish you a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one.